name's John Scott. I'm Installations and Contracts Manager for Dexion Material Handling UK Limited, and we're here today at the range in Stowmarket, which is a distribution facility, and I'm here with Carl Aldrich.
Hi, yeah, I'm Carl Aldrich, a Health, Safety and Facilities Lead here at the Range Distribution Centre at Stowmarket. We stock home, leisure, DIY, gardener products. As we go around, the largest distribution centre certainly in Suffolk, and a real big opportunity for the county of Suffolk.
So this is one of my favourite viewpoints on site. Yeah. When you look down this tunnel, it shows the quality of the build that we've produced.
Obviously being a new site and to the area, a very large building with fire officers, environmental health, local visitors, and they all come down here and they get to this point and they'll go, oh, how long this is. That's what I said, that's halfway. And yeah, people look at that as the far wall. So yeah, this is, like I said, the high value cage. So we've been using this for storage. You can see we made full use of the racking, which again, lots of mirrors. It's given us that area. Again, area space that in, when we start using high value, we've got the opportunity to then move this to other areas that we've got in the warehouse. So again, because the way it's been set out, we can use it for other products until we get to the point where high value items will go into here.
Yeah, that's great. It's great that you're making use of something right now.
You've got to adapt and be agile. So you know you take advantage of every opportunity that's there, and this is again giving us that opportunity to store products safely and efficiently.
So these pick bays were specially designed for you guys, with the dividers in to maintain gaps to have adequate water flow for your sprinkler system.
Yeah, I mean, this for me in the work I do, this is really important. I mean, fire and the sprinkler system, but also on here, this is something that we probably worked together on, because the protection on the bottom of this racking initially wasn't there, and the protection was too big to go in there. So we worked with the guys on site to come up with a solution, which was we'd done a sort of a prototype, cutting it down and see if that would work, which it does. Yeah. It stops the reach truck base hitting there. You guys then manufacture them, and we've installed them, and they're absolutely fantastic because they do exactly what we need them to do.
Excellent.
Yeah. From start to finish, the communication with myself and the team was great. I mean, very supportive, your project team as well, in making changes when required. Wherever advice and support was needed, they were there and available to do that. That was really important. And I think, you know, to say what a really good, for me, and I think the robustness and durability of the product is there to be seen, and you've seen as we've walked down there now, it looks like a new product. And I hadn't actually thought to myself actually until you mentioned it. Another great thing here is the red tops of the pins, easy visibility when you're doing racking inspections. So I mean, for the part of the process I was involved in, absolutely, you know, I can't say any more than that was a great job all the way through.